and it certainly made me a stronger dad because I've, no more commuting. So it's allowed me to spend more time with my kids, which is probably more important than any of the business stuff.
How has the great pandemic depression made you stronger?
Well, I've built a couple of remote sort of focused businesses, so that's been great. It's very sadly I've lost 5 people: my mom, my dad, my grandma, and maybe it's only 4. I've lost 4 people: my mom, my dad, my grandma, and my uncle, and that's been very hard, of course. But in terms of making me stronger, I've to help me solidify some relationships with family members. And I started a business being a serial entrepreneur called Remembering.live, a virtual memorial services business that helps. We've been able to help over 10,000 people and over 500 grieving families. So that's so yeah, it's been good. And I've said, and it certainly made me a stronger dad because I've, no more commuting. So it's allowed me to spend more time with my kids, which is probably more important than any of the business stuff.
Absolutely, Dave. And by the way, sorry for your losses. My heart goes out to you. It's been a rough journey. I've lost a lot of people too. Just crazy times.
Yeah, and I'm sorry as well. Yeah, totally crazy times. Really unprecedented, really, in our lifetime.
Yeah.